What is up everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Yeah, this one is Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra 10th anniversary edition of Xiaomi. Yeah, Xiaomi Mi 10, and I will unbox this one and I will run Antutu Benchmark. I will also do a quick charging speed test. I don't know how much charge this smartphone have inside this, but I guess that it would be like 50 or 60%, and then I will try to charge it from that, and we will check how long it takes to get to 100% with that 120 watt charger. I will also run Antutu Benchmark on this one side by side with some other smartphones. Okay, let's start our unboxing, but if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, after opening the box, you will see some note in Chinese. Yeah, the moment you move that board with that comment code or whatever you say, it's our Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. At the bottom part of the box, it says 10th, Xiaomi 10th anniversary. On the upper part, it's the smartphone. Let me put the smartphone aside for a while. I chose this transparent edition. Yeah, they also have two other different colors. What else we have inside the box? Yeah, underneath the smartphone there is a 120 watt charger. Also there is a USB type A to USB type C charging cable. Yeah, it's the same quality. I mean, Redmi K30 Ultra, Redmi K30 Pro, Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, Xiaomi Mi 10 all comes with this same charging cable. We also have this, yeah, here is our little beast, 120 watt charger. Wow, cool. It's heavy, it's really very heavy. There is a SIM ejector tool included, and underneath that you will find a transparent protective case. As Xiaomi boss Lei Jun said, this can kill germs. Wow, that's great. Yeah, this one is the same quality as Redmi K30 Ultra. It looks nice. This should be good addition to that transparent Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. Yeah, Xiaomi also included a USB type C to 3.5mm port. That's great. There are some papers. There is only one piece of paper. This one is a user manual and warranty paper. Nothing else. Okay. Oh, we forgot to unwrap our beast. Let's unwrap our Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. Even on the wrapper it says Xiaomi 10th, on top it's 2010, at the bottom it's 2020. The way they have written it, it seems like it's written 2020. Okay, the moment we unwrap this Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra, we see this gorgeous, yeah, I should say it's gorgeous. And I feel like fabulous, beautiful or awesome, gorgeous, these words are not enough. At the back of the smartphone, it's written Xiaomi Communication Company Limited, and underneath that 10th anniversary edition. It doesn't feel like there is something written extra. These words just got blended into that design. In hand, it feels good. I should say great. It doesn't feel like other Xiaomi smartphones. It feels premium. It weighs premium. The rear camera setup is really awesome. That periscope lens for 5x optical zoom, that works perfectly fine. Yeah, I have done separate camera comparison videos, you should check those. Let's unwrap this 120 watt charger, this charging cable, plug the cable to the charger and the other port to the smartphone. Wow, the charging speed is really fast, really very fast. And it took only 7 minutes to get from 77% to get to 100%, 23% in 7 minutes. Actually, all other smartphones slow down at the end, but what I have seen here, wow, this is really awesome, great. It just took only 7 minutes to get to 100% from 77%. I'm really impressed, and for sure I'm gonna do charging speed test, charging speed comparison with many other smartphones. Okay, you can see here ROG Phone 3 offers 60Hz, 90Hz, 120Hz, 144Hz, a lot of options. But OnePlus 8 Pro doesn't have that option. It comes with two options, either 60Hz or 120Hz. But one thing better on OnePlus 8 Pro is it offers QHD Plus resolution, and you can use 120Hz refresh rate on QHD Plus resolution. Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra got FHD Plus resolution, and there is only 60Hz or 120Hz refresh rate that you can select. Here Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra and OnePlus 8 Pro is at 120Hz, and these are really very smooth. I cannot portray these in a video, but these are really very smooth at 120Hz. And yeah, this ROG Phone 3 is now at 90Hz and it feels like it's as good as those 120Hz of Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra and OnePlus 8 Pro. And even when I go to 144Hz on ROG Phone 3, then it becomes inexplicable. Like, I cannot explain how good, how smooth it is. We are going to run Antutu Benchmark. On the left it's ROG Phone 3, at the right it's Redmi K30 Pro, and in the middle it's Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. Mi 10 Ultra temperature is a little bit higher than other two. Asus ROG Phone 3 is the coolest over here, and Redmi K30 Pro is in between. Let's start our Antutu Benchmark. Personally, I don't like Antutu Benchmark for many reasons, but yeah, I know you like it, so here comes the scores. Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 865, Asus ROG Phone 3 comes with Snapdragon 865 Plus, and yeah, Redmi K30 Pro comes with Snapdragon 865. But look at the score. Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra got 640,000, which is the best. This is the highest score that any smartphone achieved in this channel. If you check the CPU score, it's similar, but the main difference actually happened in GPU score. Awesome, really awesome. Memory and user experience score is similar, but that GPU score, that's really great. Yeah, we are going to do a lot of different comparison videos, a lot of different review videos, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have liked this video, then please click on the like button.